My name is Eric Etch. I'm VP of the Helicopter Operations and R&D at Skyscopes. Been with the company for 5 years, started off flying drones, and now I've transitioned into the helicopter side of things. We can provide everything from data collection to data delivery. So ultimately we're a geospatial company that also specializes in data collection. The GSS U416 is perfect for what we're trying to solve in the utility space. Having the multi-sensors gives our customers more options and really increases the efficiency on when we go out and collect in a day. We don't have to go back and repeat flying the same line over. It's all collected at the same time. Increasing safety is the most important really goal that we're trying to do. What GSS has allowed us to do is really put in those longer lenses, those big camera bodies into these sensors to get the best quality data while at a safe altitude. So in the gimbal we have a thermographic IR. It's a full HD, so pretty high end as far as the resolution of it, fully radiometric. And the most important part is it has a long lens, which allows us to stay higher and get good data. We also have a visual RGB, just a still camera that's 100 megapixels with autofocus. And we have a Sony Block 4K video camera that we can use and zoom all the way out to get a wide angle perspective or zoom in really tight to see detailed components. Thermal camera is working, stills is working, stills is up, and video camera is also recording. Gimbal's looking good. The geotagging of the imagery is extremely important, and with this system we're able to kind of tune in where we want to have that geotag be on the image, so we can have it be top center, middle of the picture, or bottom center of the image. So very customizable. Essentially all of these sensors are fed into a piece of hardware that allows us to do the geotagging, and it's all fed into one spot that's really easy for the sensor operator to kind of manage all of these sensors, because it is a lot and you need to have something back there to make it all ingestible by the sensor operator. So it's overall a pretty smooth process. We can tell the customer, yeah, we can give you, really high resolution visual imagery, but hey, for an extra, X amount of dollars, we can also just throw on thermal imagery and corona imagery all at the same time. We've been working with Gyro-Stabilized systems for probably just over 2 years now, and the gimbals, they always just seem to work. We've never had any major malfunctions, and that's never in the back of my mind in the field is this gimbal going to work today? They do a great job engineering and making sure that the gimbals are as good as they can be to operate in the field. I think we're on the cutting edge of what utility inspections are going to look like in the future. Having GSS there to listen to our feedback and our inputs and have them actually turn around improvements and new firmware updates to make those improvements is very, very awesome. There's honestly not a lot of companies that really listen to the customer and take that feedback and kind of run with it to help us out. So it's been a great collaboration. There's nothing that makes a product better than in the field use and actual customer feedback to what can make improvements. Because engineers can sit in the office all day and think about what the user would want, but they're not going to know until they hear it from the user.